C11 and Hull. So originally Stoke-on-Trent. I moved up here a few years ago, but hopefully I'll get back to my hometown eventually. I just enjoy the sunshine, so I took it out. It's for a bit of a shakedown. Not been used for 12 months. Last time I was used on a country lane in a beautiful part of Yorkshire, but it's only been on a country lane just to test the carburetor. Well, to get it reasonably hot. And this time was a scary one, because obviously taking it on main roads for the first time. Yeah, it's great. I love these little bikes. They're fantastic, really. One of the few I've got, but it's only 250 single overhead valve. I'll just type a bit of history behind it. The C11 came from predecessor was the C10 pre-war, and that was obviously girder fork. And this one was built. This is a tele rigid, so I've telescopic forks at the front and rigid suspension at the back. So you've only got the seat springs and suspension, but you've got to make sure the fork oil at the front is in, because that was one of the first things I noticed last year. It was empty of oil. It was really knocking my teeth out nearly. Well, breaking my teeth. Yeah, 249 engine, 249cc engine, about 11 horsepower. Not very fast, but it's a tiny little bike. You can feel the bumps on it, I must admit. It's yeah, Preem on a black carb. It's, the carburetor, the actual, I've tried to locate it's the right carb, but the bowl is facing the wrong way, so it should face to the left rather than the right, but it's alright. The important thing about these bikes, if you're going to buy one, is that it's obviously coil ignition. You've got to make sure it's charging, and as you lose your charge, you're cutting out, mate. You're not going to restart again. So this is a new dynamo fitted last year. Well, totally reconditioned dynamo from a guy in Trenton. I forget his name now. That's an old bike mart. Fantastic guy. And yeah, I put it on. Took it out last year, and it was for a short journey, charging okay. I made sure the nut was all tightened up, well, obviously well tight, with thread seal. And this is the first long journey. I've got a spare battery just in case anything happened, but no, it's charging alright. I'll do a voltage check when I get back. Yeah, it's always scary on these bikes, to me anyway, when you take them out the first time. You've got to make sure the brakes are right. I've changed the front brake cable. That snapped on me last year. I don't know what beat. Ghostland, and I went down a street bank and the brake cable snapped. Anyway, done, finished. The petrol tank I've taken off, resealed all that. The gearbox has got the oil in it, new oil. Engine's got new oil in it. Forks are re-oiled. Obviously this is the rarer one with the gauge in the tank. Speedometer in the tank, which I like it. You've got to keep looking down all the time, but hey, it's what it is. There's one of the old bikes in it. I love the old stuff. I've got a W33.6 to take out yet. We're looking forward to that. I wouldn't be going on a big road like this just yet. I mean, it costs a lot of money, that bike, and I've had it out on the country lane, and I've got to prove that, because the clutch wanted tightening up on it. So I've got to go round and round and round, and then I've got to start going on hills and stuff like that and see if it's going to pick up. But I can't wait to take it out, really. It's a W33.6 1932. It's on my previous videos, but I've got it cost me £400 for all the clutch parts I bought from Cornucopia. I've not used them, kept them as spares, so if it fails, if the clutch fails, I've got the spares, hopefully I've got the spares. It's yeah, this little bike, you get so many looks on it. What do you think? Probably think of an old man in the 50s, but I love the old stuff. I love the old bikes, cars and bikes, I love them. before my time. In 1948 it wasn't bought until December 62, but you know, having this bike on the road and taking it, even taking it 5 to 6 miles. I mean, this is 10 mile, and then I did 30 more, so I had the occasional worried me a little bit, held back a bit, so I think it was too lean. I checked the log, and just on a steep hill it started to hold back a bit, so I tweaked the carburetor and turned it right to increase the mixture. It seemed to have done the trick. I did another 25 mile anyway, there was no problem with that. But I'll have to get my microphone fixed up on the bike. It's to be honest, I must admit, yesterday when this video was taken, I was more interested in the bike. That's why I'm doing the voiceover really, running, than trying to talk on the microphone on my helmet. Obviously, it's more important than listening out and stuff and whatever. Yeah. Watch the rest of the videos if you can, but don't get too bored of them. I just like the old stuff. The next one to take out is the BSA C11 Star Twin again, and it's not been out for 12 months. That's a hefty bike, quite quick as well. 40 horsepower, I think, 39, 40 horsepower. And it's quick. It's heavy. Right, leave it at that.
There you go. Sorry. There we go, guys. Oh well. First time out. Well, quite pleased with that really. First time she's been on the main roads since I've had her, 18 months ago. Yeah, it's hopefully she'll be alright. Take some more videos lately, or later I mean. Just nice to get her out on the main road.
Right, here we go. Got my stopping point. Take a turn right at the end. And I'll carry on for about a quarter of a mile to the roundabout and turn left, and I'll move to the next video. I think the slight noises here, weird noises, is you can hear some funny stuff on these bikes. You can't really hear it normally. Could be the suspension. Just that noise there. Sounds like a bit of a binding noise, but I don't know what it is. I'll look into it later. But it's only on this video, I can hear it. And he swings round again. Looks like I'm doing 100 mile an hour. I'm doing 30 mile an hour, I think. Let's see, 35, 40, I think. Going to my... It's charging nice anyway. Might just turn it off at the moment, but it's charging. I don't until I'm on the first ride. Just a quick test and probably check at the end. Right, something new for you and me, apart from the A7 I took out. That's a side view of the C11. I thought, you know what, other people are doing it, why not look at the side of these bikes? Very, very rare you get this. I thought, you know what, yeah, we'll do it. And right place really. Keep looking over, make sure the camera's alright. You can't see because the selfie stick's on, the invisible selfie stick. So you've got to sit on the cable, on the tube. Don't put it out too far or else, and then just keep your eye on it. It's not a long video. It just gives you an idea. And you can then, when you go back and upload it, you can adjust the viewing angle. So this is an adjusted viewing angle. You can have all sorts of 360 cameras, so you can have all sorts of views. So I just thought I'd give it a go on the side. I've never seen a C11 or an A7 like the previous videos from the side angle. Anyway, I'm back on now to the front view now. That's me spinning it around on top of the bracket. That's a funny one, that one.
Has he died?
She died on me for some reason. Here's going again. She's going again. What we're doing now, turn left on a short, on a tight bend. There you go. Top view. Like I'm riding a toy. You can adjust all these angles anyway. There you go. I'm spinning it round now. I'm using the keyframe on the software. Spin it round. You can set your angles there. They make some strange noise, these bikes do, when you're running them on the camera. A bit of a smirk on. Big fat face on this helmet. Oh dear. I'm not used to seeing myself like that. Oh dear. Makes myself laughing. Oh dear. Bloody hell, I'm not going to swear too much. Let's we'll take a sharp left here. I really want to take my old bike out, my old W33.6 out, so I'm going to have to go one of these club meetings if I can. I'm in the BSA Honest Club. I'm in the MCC. I've not had a chance because they're working. I've not had a chance to go any yet. I've been in for 2 years, but I've joined them. I've not had time to. I need somebody to go with me really. Somebody to go along with me. With the W336, the old pre-war bike, 1932. Or at least have some backup anyway. I don't mind taking these out because I've learnt a bit about them now. But I know about 1932. I've got all the instruction manuals. I've worked on it a little bit, but it's nice to have a bit of backup really. Have someone there with a bit more knowledge than me. I've ridden it once, I enjoyed it. But it's hard to get past, it's funny that is. Poor Meg, poor C11. Right guys, if you just hang on now, wait for it to come back. It's set up on the, obviously on the Insta 360 Studio 2022. It's called deep tracking. Deep tracking. Just put a box around the object and you can speed it up, increase the speed. You can just watch it ride past. It'll track the bike. You watch it track the bike. I mean, I'm on my own. There's no one there. And there you go. It's a nice little tool if you like that sort of thing. You just got to make sure you don't go too far on. It's not a busy road because if you come back and your camera's missing, you're in trouble. See you later.